What's up, Rated R Cars family? The Monster 937 is giving her first 600-mile service as we speak, and we've got the world's fastest Ducati Diavolo 1260S to my right here, as you guys know. But stay tuned because I've got a really cool mod coming up that's going to increase the performance, the torque substantially on the 1260S. And we've got our newest member of the family here, our 2022 Ducati Multistrada V4S travel and radar model. And I've got a boatload of mods and content for this bike as well, so keep it locked into Rated R Cars. So in this video, we're going to share a dyno with you and let you know what you can expect in terms of horsepower and torque for the Monster 937 with the full TERMIGNONI race system and the DB killers out. So some things to keep in mind here. This dyno does not apply to the TERMIGNONI slip-ons. Only the full race exhaust with the DB killers out. The full race exhaust, as you know, includes the up map, which also frees up some of that power and torque for you. So what you see here, you're not going to see with the slip-ons. I unfortunately don't have a stock exhaust dyno. I am sharing dyno results versus the claimed horsepower and torque, but I'm applying the same math to both, so it should be directionally accurate and definitely fun. And at least you'll know what to expect when you have your TERMIGNONI race exhaust installed. And beyond these numbers, further performance benefits come from reduced weight overall of 5 pounds for the TERMIGNONI system, weight reduction from removing the EVAP system of 1 pound, and weight reduction from removing the DB killers of 0.6 pounds. So these add up to about a 7 pound of lower mass weight reduction, and that's on an already light bike, which means even more performance. With that being said, let's do work.
So what's nice about this is I just did 3 runs. All 3 are very consistent. That tells me I got a good tach signal. Motor was at good operating temperature, and the air temperature is really nice. So it's a good starting point.
All right, so here's our baseline with a full TERMIGNONI race exhaust and up map. We're looking at a wheel horsepower of 99.4 and a wheel torque of about 61 pound-feet. Using an average 15% loss to the drivetrain, we get a base horsepower of 117 and a base torque of 72 pound-feet. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have a base run on my stock, but using the claimed horsepower of 111 horsepower and 69 pound-feet of torque, you can see at least directionally that with the TERMIGNONI, you gain about 6 horsepower and about 3 pound-feet of torque. Now, keep in mind some manufacturers overstate their horsepower and torque, so these numbers are probably overall even better than this compared to stock. Now, let's get this bike pro-tuned. Alright guys, so in summary, you get a net gain of about 6 horsepower and 3 torque, which on a super light bike like the Monster 937 is pretty epic, especially when you know that manufacturers are probably exaggerating a bit on the reported horsepower and torque numbers. So my guess is you're probably looking at anywhere from 6 to 10 horsepower gain and a 3 to 5 gain in torque, but that's just based on a gut check. But either way, I'll take 6 horsepower and 3 torque on a light bike like this any day. You can feel the difference, especially with the DB killers out. You can certainly hear the difference. It sounds oh so epic, and the butt dyno never lies. Big shout out to my man Charlie at Cold Start 76, who wrongly guessed that my new motorcycle was a Harley Davidson, but he gets an A for effort. You rock, my friend. Shout out to my friend Detlef over there in Germany, who's currently visiting his mother. It takes a big man to help out his mother. You rock. Speaking of helping out our mothers, it's time to put 200 miles on this bike to go help out mine tomorrow as well. Alright guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. If you like this video, please hit the like. Please drop a comment below. It really helps out the channel to defeat YouTube's dastardly algorithm. Dastardly. I don't actually know what that means, but yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Always keeping the babies dehumidified.